Welcome back to Project Management Simplified. This is the fourth session of our learning series. And with this session, we are now starting the core learning of project management, that is, its fundamentals. Because when your fundamentals are strong, your learning becomes far more insightful. In the previous three videos, we explored the history of project management. We understood its transformation from ancient times to the AI era, and we also discussed the importance of practical versus theoretical project management. If you haven't watched those sessions yet, I recommend you check them out for continuity. And don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we launch a new video or short. Let's begin our journey with the very first and foundational step, framework. Yes, the project management framework. This session is going to give you knowledge that if you truly understand, you can consider yourself halfway there. Think of it as the big picture of a big topic, project management. The framework contents are already established by leading project management bodies, but this simplified representation, shown as a single image, has been developed exclusively by our Project Management Simplified team.
So let's understand first, what is a framework? A framework is a basic structure that provides a complete picture of a whole system or subject. And here we're talking about the framework of project management.
The frame you see on screen is the boundary of the framework, and the first component of this framework is project. Theoretically, a project is defined as a unique, temporary, multidisciplinary, organized endeavor to realize agreed deliverables within predefined requirements and constraints. But in practical terms, a project is simply commonsensical actions performed by a project manager while staying in the gray. Not in black, not in white, but in gray, meaning there's no absolute right or wrong, only what is appropriate.
The second component is program, which is simply a combination of related projects.
The third component is portfolio, a set of projects or programs not necessarily related. And these three together are called domains.
These domains can function only through the influence of individuals, second teams, and the third one is organization. These are called competencies.
The first, competences, an individual. Individual can influence a domain through their knowledge, skill, and ability. Second, competences is team. Team can influence a domain through the collective performance of people working for a common purpose. And the last one is an organization. An organization can influence a domain through strategic skills as a self-sustaining unit of people.
These competencies can be developed through self-development, peer development, education and training, coaching and mentoring, and simulation and gaming.
To develop these competencies, we focus on three components. First one is perspective, second is people, and third one is practice. These are known as competence areas. Each competences area consists of multiple competence elements, and you can see the list of all 29 competence elements on your screen now. So in summary, the project management framework consists of 29 generic competence elements across three competence areas applied by three competences to three domains. And this simplified image you see is your big picture of project management. If you want a copy of this big picture, write your email ID in comment box. Our team will email you. I won't extend today's session further. I don't want to flood your mind with too much information at once. From the next session onwards, we'll dive into each component of the framework in detail. Keep watching Project Management Simplified. Like, subscribe, and share these sessions with your project management communities. See you in the next session. Goodbye.